Guys, welcome back to my channel, and today, yeah, I still have this annoying cold that is driving me crazy. But anywho, today is Halloween. I am up super early because Ayden's having like a Halloween party at his daycare, and I have one stop to make before we get there. So I decided to take you guys along. Like I said, it is Halloween and Ayden's dressing up, and I'm so happy for this Halloween because he can actually walk. Last year he couldn't walk because he was only what, March, April, May, June, July. He's only 7 months then, so he really couldn't walk like that. And plus it was too cold for him last year. This year, the weather here in the Midwest has been crazy. Literally last night, well yesterday, it was 75 degrees in October. Like, come on, bro. Then today it's gonna be a high of 56. So figures when everybody's gonna be outside. So yeah, I will show you guys when he gets dressed. Y'all, this boy, so he slept with me tonight, and look at him. He is knocked out. Don't mind his hair. Ayden has literally been avoiding getting his hair taken down, so he's just gonna be one little nappy head. Little chicken. Ayden, y'all, he's grown so much since y'all seen him. I definitely have to do an update of him. Ayden, he's almost 2. Ayden, good morning. He's so tall. Ayden the chicken. Y'all, that's the best I can do with his hair this morning. And I just paired it with this little red Jordans. Eating your fruit bar? Can you tell everyone treat? Say treat. You're so cute. Look at my little chicken. Uh-oh. Then it's so cute because it has a tail on the back that moves when he walks. You ready? You ready? Oh my goodness, Ayden. Yum. Hey guys, so basically I just went to my son's daycare for like an hour and a half for their little party. Their party lasted longer than expected, and your girl had to get back to work from home. So yeah, I just wanted to vlog this experience. Like I said, this is Ayden's like first like Halloween to where he's able to walk around versus last year. Last year we really didn't do anything. We did dress up together. We were the Incredibles, and we were so cute. But yeah, last year I basically just passed out candy and he slept. So this year is completely different. This year, I don't know if you guys, well, it's pretty much known, but in my area, it's really been known a lot about the human trafficking, basically, and kidnapping. I don't know what's going on, but lately there's been a lot of like incidents where these white vans will pull up, or just people in general that are acting really strange. I know a few people have posted on social media regarding like the incident and saying like people have even been bold enough to come up and pull on their door handles. There have been people that have come up to them and asked them like, how much would you sell your son or daughter for? Things like that. It's just not safe anymore. So with all that going on, I really don't plan on taking Ayden to do much tonight. My parents, they stay in a nice subdivision, so I may just take him to maybe 3 or 4 houses near her house, near my parents' house, and then just call it a night. Like, he doesn't need all that candy anyways, and plus it's like 50 some degrees anyway, so the temperature isn't the best. So that's just our plans for tonight. And yeah, guys, so let me go ahead and clock in for work and make my little coin. See you guys later. And another thing is, let me know, because I've been trying to create a poll, but I'll just ask you guys in this video as well. I'm really thinking about starting a cooking with me segment on my channel. Most of you all that do follow me on Snapchat, y'all know my fat ass like to cook and I like to eat. So a lot of you message me, ask me like what is it and like what I put in it and things like that. So I was just really thinking about just doing like a cooking segment. I don't know how frequently I will record, because I really could almost do like 1 meal a week, because I do cook basically all the time. So let me know, or either thumbs up this video or let me know down in the comments if you guys would be interested in that, and I would definitely start filming that for you all, because I really want to do that. And I think it's, I don't know, like cooking for me just like relaxes me, and I love it, y'all. Like, that's like my relaxation, like me time, you know. And then you get to eat at the end of it, so it just works out. But definitely let me know and I will push out those videos for y'all. Like, I'm just sitting here, y'all, do not mind me, because I kind of been picking at them and I know I should not have. Don't do it, y'all. Don't be like me. But anywho, like, do y'all just randomly like think to yourselves like about new business adventures? And let me get over to the light, because this is a real life problem with me. Not more so of a problem, but a habit of mine. So I literally will think of business ventures all day long, because I'm all about my coin. But like the tarot reader even told me back in New Orleans, she said one of my cards was, I put too much on myself. So basically I start one project or maybe 2 projects at once. I leave one incomplete, but I complete one. And I don't know why I'm like that. I mean, it's not a bad thing, but I should want to, as a person, to complete one business venture and then move on to the next. So basically I pile up things on myself for whatever reason. I do not know. It's just like my mind, I don't know how to explain it. Like, I cannot be the only one that does this. Basically, like, I'm thinking about starting Aiden a business venture, and I'm just like, Asia, like I have so much going on between my personal work, well, my main job, then I have YouTube, then I have to be a parent, and then I have my travel business, and then and I'm just like, it's just so much going on. But in my mindset, I'm looking at it as there's money to be made, okay? But for people like me, I just want to say, because I cannot be the only one that do this all the time, like, just jot down your ideas and just pray about them, because the timing, some timing isn't right. I will say that. God may want you to start those business ventures or those whatever it is later on versus immediately the way you may want to start them. So just pray about it. He will definitely show you signs of whenever it's time to start that. And yeah, just be patient. My main thing, I'm not patient. Well, I'm somewhat of a patient person, but not that much. Like, I literally, once I come up with a business idea, I'm like, let's go. Like, let's go. Which is not a bad thing, because there's people that have came up with business ventures and quit their job and started, and now they're millionaires. So just saying, like, I don't know, like, that was just on my mind today, as I was thinking over my lunch break of starting Aiden a business. And then I'm like, girl, you got too much going on. But at least with Aiden business, I can have like the help of others, like his dad and like his Gigi and people like that. So I don't know. That was just on my mind, and then the first thing that popped up in my mind was the tarot reader that told me that. So I don't know what we can do for people like us. I really don't. I'm trying my best not to pile up many projects on myself, but hey, it's grind time. I'm still in my 20s. I'm 26. I'll be 27 in June. Like, it's grind time. I don't have time to be waiting. Like, I understand some projects are not meant for people. They do fail, which is completely understandable, but you won't know until you try. So that's just that little rant while it was on my mind, because I don't know, I get to staring off into space and thinking about stuff like that. So just a food for thought. But let me know if you guys are like that in the comment as well, and how does that work out for you. If you guys know what I mean, just let me know how does that work out for you. And yeah, just a little rant of the day, random rant. Big boy kangaroos. Oh, get it, Aiden. Get it, Aiden. Hey, 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 whip it up, whip it up, whip it up. Oh, oh. And did you have fun? You have fun? You just eating? Get ready for bed? He said bye. Tell the people bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.